It's right there.
What the fuck wrong with these Chinese people?
No.
Hey, he crazy.
Who else gonna make a beat to anything?
What?
To the flicker.
Somebody got that slap in the trunk.
Oh, look, they got a visitors flea market.
Yeah, it'll stay there.
Oh, they got food trucks right here. They got them up there.
That's what you were talking about? That?
Yeah, this the food truck on the world's food truck.
Where the fuck we parking at?
I don't know. We got to find parking.
You can record in your video. You gonna take that out?
I'm gonna have to. It'll be chopped up though. You know it's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna jump like. Okay, but y'all, hold on. What is it? I guess they show us where to park at.
Come on, shout.
Dre. Oh, y'all gonna have my video so chopped. I'm about to try something too. Oh, where the cup noodles
That's the
at?
spot right here, man. That's where I be at every day. Gaining weight.
Okay, so it's a lot of them.
Oh, she let me park right here. I know you lying.
Hold
you
on.
let me go in and shower.
Wait. No. I don't think you coming here. I think they probably. All right, y'all. So we made it here. They actually let us park in the front, like right up front. We about to get the wagon out for Ava and Shauna. So, come on, Ava. Yeah, you could bring your dog. Come on. Bring that. Yeah, go get your dog if you want to. Bring the blanket, baby. For Ava. Cause she be saying she be getting cold and stuff. You almost. So we brought the wagon.
Raise that too.
Come on, open it up.
Move your face.
Oh.
And your head. Goodbye.
Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh. You want your blanket, Ava?
Top.
You want it? Yeah.
Y'all don't want the top on?
Do y'all want the top
You
on?
need that cover. It is. Give me that cover.
She said she wanted it.
Cold. It is not cold.
You be doing them.
She just got out of the pool and she probably
It's 1,000
is.
degrees out here.
She had that cover with every
It's 1,000 degrees out here.
It's fine. It's just a lot of food trucks. I think I like that first one up though. You heard me? I think I want to go to that first one up there.
Which one?
Back there.
Let you see something you want?
No.
They got pizza. Oh, that's big.
Hey, we go eat all that?
No. Oh, wow. Ava, it's really big, huh?
Yes.
I know. And then Shawty got cheese.
Why is it so big and giant?
I don't know. Because it's
I
big.
don't want these.
You did say you wanted those. Take them off then. Dre, what kind of pizza you got? You want her pepperonis?
Yeah.
She said she don't want them. Now he got
141 frappe.
Yeah, I got a coat. Look.
That is so.
I want to open it.
Wait a minute, Shawty. Hold on, baby. That's huge pizza.
Oh, you can't hold all this shit.
Is it yummy?
Oh, you got something like this. Oh, that going in?
No.
That shit look like a bus.
So me and baby got 2 strawberry lemonades.
That's felt kind of squishy.
It felt kind of squishy.
Alright, I'm gonna go to get your tarapino.
Good what?
But I put my straw in. Sam. That looks so yummy. I ordered fish, that fish right there from them. And then I got the burrito tacos. This is basically the world's food truck. It's food trucks all back there, different kinds. A lot of Mexican. So, yeah. My husband. Alright, y'all. So, I went to one of the Mexican places and I ordered this fish. And then, I don't know what this is. I pinched off at the taste. It tastes like mashed potatoes, but this is a fish with a head on. I never had it, so, but I want to taste it. Whatever it is, it tastes good. It's good. Oh y'all, these are the tacos. See, you got the little salsa, the burrito taco, and I have to dip it. Onions, sriracha, lime. I'm about to try it. See how I taste. Alright. I'm gonna take these off.
Stop
So-
saying that.
They went to an ice cream place. What the ice cream place called?
Can we drive through here and come out?
Yeah, I think so.
That's my
It's
fault.
called what?
Frosty King Creamery.
No, it ain't. That's just what his cup say.
I said that.
Yeah, but that's just what his cup say. I don't know what it was called.
Real ice cream. We went to the real ice cream boule. Creme de la creme.
Man, this man lying. Okay, anyway, they went to go get ice cream.
Are we gonna get eye drop?
Yeah, we want to get her some eye drops. Cause this girl, let me see your eye. Let me see your eye. Ain't nothing even wrong with your eye.
It's hurting.
Okay.
We got to get you some goggles for tomorrow then.
Yeah. I think
You gotta see
the
if it like me.
the bleach that's in the water probably like
Chlorine.
yeah, the chlorine in the water probably too much got in her eye or
No,
something.
it's when she came down that slide, she had her eyes open, that water hit her in the eye.
Yeah, that's the
pressure.
first thing I did.
And it burned her.
And shot up my nose. I like to drown on that slide.
So we gotta find shot of
I went down the head first. Yeah, you seen me, God, I think you was saying something. It's easier to slide head first. You slide better, you go down faster. That blue one's slow.
The buddy them talking about, oh,
That blue one trash.
nobody's up there to watch them. We love our staff. I'm like, boy, please.
So yeah, we better go find Shawty some eye drops, put in her eye, and then we better go back to the where we staying at. What, baby?
I want an eyeball.
You want an eyeball? Okay, Ava
Yeah,
just talking crazy right
I
now.
want a gummy eyeball.
Where you seeing that at?
No, I said gummy eyeball. I said eyeball.
Where at?
She talking about she said her eyes red.
You want eye drops too?
No.
Oh,
Yeah.
what you talking? Oh,
All right, y'all.
She's
he
talking
gonna let
about
me put.
Yeah, we might go check it out tomorrow.
Look at
It's
Dre,
called
you don't
Old
get on, You
Town.
don't get on that shit.
Hell
right
nah.
there. You see what I'm talking
It's
about?
called
Yeah,
Old
I'm not.
Town.
That
We
tall
might go
thing.
check-
Nope.
That like shoot up in the air.
Nope.
He's so scary. Bruh,
Oh.
it look like it's about to storm. Look at that shit.
Valley got their own stove. I need to check that out.
No! Bruh.
Yeah. I want to see the Valley.
Look, no, it's some New Balances that I want. I've been looking at them things online. Yeah, it is raining super hard. We just left Walgreens to get Shawty some eye drops when she screamed and cried to not get the eye drops in her eye. But anyway, we on the way back to the room and we about to start washing and getting ready for bed so we can start our day tomorrow. Like, look at this. You can't even see. It ain't even just, it ain't even showing us good, like the camera, from the camera. But, yeah, it's light and everything.
Continue on I-40 for 1 mile. In 50 miles, right side
Look at the traffic. Look at the traffic behind us. Never mind, we don't know the bridge, but boy, it look like that lane over there on the left side. It's pouring down.
Yeah, it is just pouring down raining. We just sitting in the car, trying to wait on it to stop.
Diddy, you tired, eh? Give me the key card. I'm about to take off.
I'm about to
Give me
put.
the top to the wagon.
We about to get out of this
that.
car, yo.
I
It
got
should
my
be,
jacket.
it should be tucked in it.
I need a. My hair about to get wet. My hair about to get wet.
Not if you use the top to the wagon.
We gotta try to get out of this rain, y'all.
They can get us out in the rain with the top to the wagon.
Oh yeah, it's pouring. I see how it gets wrong.
You're still gonna.
All right, y'all. So me and my husband just got out the shower. Wait,
They got a code to this thing?
probably. I'm about to warm my food up. The good food that I got, because the tacos that I ordered, it wasn't good. But first, I'm gonna put on some lotion. My Bath and Body Works Butterfly. I need to get some more of this. What, Tudor? Your eye. What's wrong? What's wrong? Y'all know my favorite show. I'm looking at Big City Greens. Period.
Watching it too.
Y'all watching it too? So I'm about to put my lotion on, about to eat, and we about to actually lay down and wait for tomorrow. So have a good day tomorrow, so they can get in the pool and stuff. I'm gonna try to wake up a little early because the pool open up at 8. So I want to try to wake up early. Hope if I wake up, if they don't wake up before me, and I'm gonna go to the pool by myself.
No, you ain't.
What? And my husband. Before the girls wake up, I want to try to get like some time in. Even though I know it's for Shawna, but you know how parents do. They be trying to get time in with they self or they man and husband, whatever. Period. So yeah. I got to watch the girls. They have not took a bath yet because we got out in that rain. But I will pull y'all back up tomorrow.